Ma'am, some of them don't, ma'am, the plants that have their roots into the soil, ma'am, they have very strong roots so that they don't get blown away from the water.
Okay.
And ma'am,
Anything? Any other? Yes. Yes, Dipta.
ma'am, they have thin leaves, and ma'am, they have hollow and light stems.
Why they have hollow and light stem?
Ma'am, so that they can float in the water like that.
Yes. So to make themselves light, they can
Ma'am,
float.
like they can just.
Any other characteristics?
Ma'am, some of the plants
Can I
don't
say?
have,
One by one. Just wait. Yes, Ankita.
yes, ma'am, some of the plants, they, ma'am, their roots are not fixed and they allow themselves to float along with.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, Agamjot. Yes.
Ma'am, I was saying that only that some plants do not have the roots in the soil that fix in the soil, so they floated.
Yes. So three different types of plants we can find. One is totally free floating. Okay. They
And ma'am,
float.
some are submerged
They,
plant.
yes. Some are submerged and submerged are some are totally inside water. Okay. They are totally, that is the root, stem, each and every body part of the plant are inside water. And in the other case, like you have seen lily, water lily, lotus, you have seen, all of you have seen. So
Yes,
in case
ma'am.
of water lily, lotus, what happens? You just see that the stem and the roots, they are, the roots are fixed with the that is the, so the water bed, and the stems are that, just Jadipta has told that they are just hollow and they are light. What will happen? That they will float and the leaves comes out on the surface. Flower leaves and the flowers comes out on the surface. And there are some small kinds of plants they float, like water hyacinth. Okay, example is water hyacinth that you can see, and some algae. You know, sometimes you have seen some ponds are being just covered with a green layer.
Yes, ma'am.
You have seen sometimes that just they get covered with a green layer, that is called the algae. That is a kind of plant, group of plant, they are called the algae. And what happens, they are free floating, they are not attached with the bottom of the water body. Okay.
And
Yes,
ma'am, there
Ankita.
are also some white structures. They are the fungus.
Yes, but they doesn't grow, grow over there. So mostly algae, they are the green plants, small floating green plants.
Yes, ma'am.
কি বলছো
Ma'am,
কিছু
I was
খুলছো?
saying back in Bangalore, ma'am, there was this lake called Alsur Lake. Ma'am, there used to be a lot of algae all over it.
Yes. And what happens, this algae, when it just coats the surface, okay, of
Ma'am,
the water, they just trap that block the sunlight, and inside, they
and ma'am,
hamper the
yes,
organisms.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
So
that's why
ultimately,
algae.
they just take all the sunlight and then also the nutrients they consume, and ultimately the aquatic organism, maybe
Ma'am, they
plants or
even
animals that
stop
are living, they get
oxygen.
hampered.
Ma'am, they
Yes.
even stop oxygen from entering.
Yes. So that make the dissolve oxygen content also less in those aquatic environment. Okay, so this is clear. Ponds and lakes and other water bodies. So these are, there are different types of plants that we can find one totally that fully submerged, and one partially submerged, that is the roots and the stems are underwater, and the leaves are the flowers, they comes out on the one, floats on the surface, and the third one is totally floating. You can see in the book also is given figure 9.9, all these three varieties have been given. Okay, next, characteristics of living organism. One by one you are going to give me the characteristics and explain. Okay. Okay, Aditya Singh.
Ma'am, all living organisms respire.
Okay, so what is respiration, Aditya?
Ma'am, inhalation of air.
Inhalation and exhalation, breathing in and breathing out of air. Okay, that is exchanging of gases. That is called respiration. Okay, yes, Agamjot. Any other characteristics?
Ma'am, they grow and die.
They shows growth. Okay,
Growth and
by
die.
cell division they grow, and yes, they also have a natural, that is the end, that is called the death. Yes,
Yes.
Ankita.
Ma'am, they reproduce their
Ma'am,
own kind.
They reproduce their own kind. Yes. Next.
ma'am,
Yes, Dipta.
ma'am, they get rid of waste by the by the process of excretion.
They get rid of waste by process called excretion. Mostly the
And ma'am,
waste
in
material, then
plants, and ma'am, in plants, it is called secretion.
yes. For example, They are called gum. You know the gum that you use, that the rubber, that is the thing out of which rubber is meant. That is a excretory product of the plant body. Latex. Sometimes you have played with some plant leaf. उसको अगर तोड़ते हो, then some white droplets comes out. Okay, so those are called latex. Latex. These are all the excretory products of the
Ma'am, I have
plant.
that plant.
Okay, you are having, and that is having a colorful one, green and white comes some. It comes in color.
Ma'am,
That
I'm having that white.
okay. Okay, next. Yes, any other characteristics? Yes, Shivam, just wait. Others, those who have given,
Ma'am,
they
they
should not.
respond to stimuli.
They respond to stimuli. Can you just clarify or explain this line that they respond to stimuli? How can you just give a support to this statement? How the response to stimuli? Give some example. Ronak Yadav. Yes, Shivam. Example? Any example? Yes, Ankita.
Ma'am, sir, any example of ma'am response to stimuli is basically, ma'am, whenever we're walking, if we accidentally step on a thorn or any sharp object, ma'am, our first response is to say ouch. Ma'am, somewhat
Yes.
like that.
So you are responding to the pain that you are getting by when the thorn is just
Ma'am,
prick on your.
immediate response.
Yes. And sometimes in case of plant, yes, Agamjot, any other experience?
Ma'am, they need food intake.
No, I'm asking that response to stimuli. Yes,
Ma'am,
sometimes you get good smell and you just got attracted towards that food also. You're responding to the stimuli.
yes,
A
ma'am.
plant is called that is called touch me not. Okay, chew me plant. So what is that? If you touch the leaves, they will just close down, and again it will open, and if you again touch it, it will close. So they are responding to stimuli. One more example. Yes, Aryan. Put on your video. I can see Agamjot, Dipta, and Ankita only. Others I am not able to see. Aryan, yes, now Aryan, I can see you.
Excretion.
Excretion, yes, we have done. Any other? Any other?
Ma'am, growth and die. Ma'am.
Okay, done.
Ma'am, show movement.
Shows movement. Yes, show movements.
Die.
Yes, we have done. Aryan, growth and die. Yes, Arpit. Any other point?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, food intake.
They take food. Yes, we need food and oxygen for our survival. Yes, so yes, they need food to live, food and water to live.
Yes.
Ma'am, may I say something?
Yes, Agam.
Ma'am, that when I was saying to you that when you said example of response to stimuli, that time I was saying that they need food intake.
Yes, okay. So all this, they need food, they need to excrete, okay, they need to digest food. So these are all the different examples of the living characteristics of living organism. Germination in case of plant, that is the seeds germinate into small plant which is having a small structure, white structure that I told you, radicle. Do you remember? Radicle.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
becomes a root. And after some time, one more structure comes out that is called the plumule. That becomes the
Ma'am, the stem. Ma'am, the
yes, that
shoot.
becomes the stem. I think you remember still.
Yes, ma'am.
So suppose I have taken a chana, okay, and I've soaked it. After some time, you will see that there is a structure that is coming, white one, that is called the radicle. And after a few days, you will see as some more structure is coming that is going up. That is the plumule. Plumule. Plumule is the future stem, and
Ma'am, the
radicle is
shoot.
the future, yes, shoot. Okay,
Ma'am, the
clear?
root and the shoot.
Yes. And all one more living character.
Ma'am, reproduction.
Done. In case of plant, without which we are not able to survive at all.
Ma'am, oxygen, we have to take oxygen.
Plant, a process going inside the body of plants. Photosynthesis. Okay, production of food. Yes, photosynthesis. So these are all different living characteristics of all the living
Plants.
organisms.